If you do not install the serpentine belt correctly, you will guys destroy multiple components and you may even destroy your engine completely. Stay with us and we'll explain why that can happen. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW guys with N55 engine. That engine has been used on anything from 1 series to 7 series BMW, anything from X1 to X6 guys. So if you have one of those and you want to see how to install the serpentine belt diagram, stay with us guys, we're going to explain that in this video today. If you don't get it right, belt can come off, destroy the cooling system, multiple components, radiator fan, front crankshaft seal, and that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair. So stay with us and we'll explain what we're talking about today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you guys how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts tools for your BMW, any car, any tools, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So before we continue, let me tell you guys, every time you're replacing a belt or an idler pulley or a tensioner, you guys need to do these 3 things always at the same time, because usually they can fail at about the same time or sooner or later, and you may be doing the job again. And if one of those components fails, the belt can easily fall off, it can break, okay, it can break the cooling system. If you don't pay attention, it can overheat the car. Sometimes the belt will start falling apart and it can break quite a few things. You can get tangled around the front crankshaft seal, and that can guys, okay, cause front crankshaft seal failure as well. Multiple things can go wrong. So always replace the belt, tensioner, idler pulley, and always put new bolts for the tensioner and the idler pulley as well. So we get the new belt, and the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to put it, okay, around the crankshaft pulley guys. That will be the first thing that we'll try to do. New belt, maybe a little bit kind of like a live thing. It will not want to go here and there because it will be very flexible. Then we'll go from there directly to the AC compressor. It will go on the bottom. Okay, let's see now what we got here. Let's see. Perfect. Go to the AC compressor now. Once we guys remove it, install it, excuse me, we're going to show you everything with a great detail. Okay, from here we go down to the, okay. No. Okay, I have it installed now here. Perfect. Let's go to the tensioner pulley, to the idler pulley. All the way down to the idler pulley on this side. That's a very thick belt, by the way, too. Okay, perfect. Let's pull now, and we need to go to the alternator. So I'll show you the complete diagram in a second. Okay, let me verify that now. So we're removing the engine undercover because we cannot get it on the crankshaft pulley correctly. There is a sensor there that I cannot clearly see. My hand is not small enough to go around it, so we will need to guys remove it and see from underneath, because otherwise we're going to guys damage, okay, that belt, the sensor, and that can cost you quite a bit of money. So on that specific car here, we remove that, and now right there is the crankshaft pulley. We can clearly see it. I can pass the belt, and there is a sensor right there as well. So let me get the belt from the top now. So we went underneath, there was some plastics around it, so we needed to push the belt just to go on the crankshaft pulley down there. And finally we got it in guys, okay. Make sure you don't pry on the belt or anything like that, because it will break it and it will come off. So how it goes, okay, let me explain now. From the crankshaft pulley, it goes to the AC compressor, there to the idler pulley, back to the alternator, and here to the tensioner. And now, okay, let me go ahead, okay, and inspect everything on the bottom. Okay, that's trying to get a light, but it's impossible guys. But that's where the belt is, okay, right there. You can see it. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the tensioner now. I'll get the pliers and remove the spring here. Okay, and see if it's going to get situated. Now make sure it goes in all the canals. If it doesn't, if it's one canal off, the belt will be destroyed. It can break the cooling system here. It can break, guys, front crankshaft seal, multiple components. So you have to be really careful. So we're going to go ahead, install now. Okay, 1 second, because it's going to come up. Okay, so I'm trying. Okay, can we hold the camera like that? Later the tensioner will come up, so I need to make sure I leave enough room for the wrench to come up too. Okay, so give me a second. Okay, perfect. And I need to go down. Okay, let me make sure everything's situated. Yep. Ah, that thing is way too tight. Okay, let me see if I will be able to position it up, I guess. Okay, so I'm going to go this way and hopefully we'll have enough clearance here. I hate working on that engine, guys. I'm not kidding. Okay, now I need I should have put it the other way. I'm gonna say some not so nice words. So I got the wrench ready, guys. Okay, we got the pliers. And we're going to pull it out. And come a little bit. Like that. Oh, let it go. And now we can remove the tool with the wrench. The improvised here adaptation. Now it's the time to make sure that the belt aligns everywhere. It goes from the crankshaft pulley to the AC compressor. Make sure that everything is aligning correctly before you start it, otherwise you're going to destroy your belt and you can break other things as well. So now keep away, but we're going to start the vehicle. Always start it with the garage door open for only a few seconds and inspect the belt to make sure that everything's going good, because otherwise it can break it or it can cause other damages if it falls off or it's half way installed. So let's go ahead, start it now. Yep, perfect, guys, right on the spot. So hopefully, okay, that will be a good advice. So guys, that's how you install the belt on BMW N55 engine. That's how you guys install it. That's the Serpentine Belt Diagram. You can see how it goes. Okay, so if you have any question, don't hesitate to let us know on BMW N55 or any BMW problems. We're constantly working on them, constantly getting new cars here in the garage. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.